mā te ihi me te wehi o te whakakotahitanga. Ka puawai ngā moimoia a te rangatahi.
It was amazing being offshore and exploring our other countries with our other Indigenous rangatahi, but there's nothing like coming home.
He rawe, ka rongo I te wairua o mātai whānei, me te oranga wa tātai reo, me te oranga wa tātai ahuriatanga. Me te waimare, ko tai mai ngā iwi take no wāhi ke atu ki runga nei tō mātai marae tēnei rangi.
Ka tai anō e nei rangatahi e toru te kau no Aotearoa, te whenua moimoia me kānata I hoki mai I ahitereiria ko Native Nations tracing Indigenous Footsteps, te ingoa o te haerenga miharo nei.
Native Nations tracing Indigenous footsteps is using or utilising tourism, harnessing Indigenous tourism to give back to our communities, our people and our future generations.
Pretty much Queensland started up in Cairns. We were out on the Great Barrier Reef snorkeling, made our way from the Great Barrier Reef to one of the oldest rainforests in the world, Mossman Gorge, where we were welcomed by the local mob there, learning about their rākau, learning about their rongoa.
Tēnei wā, hea koe ngā akuranga ngā tētahi o ngā kurawa no reira. Nānai I whakaakuia mātai pāna ki ngā ngāhere, ki ngā wai, ki ngā karereha no hoki, he maha wana pukenga roto mai I te ngāhere.
When I went over to Australia, it was very eye-opening for me to learn that there are different tikanga and different people and different ways of life. Finding those connections between me and my Aboriginal whānau, that really set the foundation of me finding my place in this world here.
Te ui moimoia, o poi hākena, koutou o kānata, anei a mātou e mihi ki a koutou.
Atu I te whakaako I te ahurea Māori me ngā tikanga, ka haere tūtake ai e nei rangatahi e tai tāpoi Māori I te waiariki, huri I te puku o te ika a Māui.
We wanted to expose our rangatahi to both the larger, more established tourism products and then into the remote communities. We're really excited. We can't wait to share our tourism products with our kids from overseas.
Back home where I live in the Yukon, we have hot pools just like that, natural hot springs. And so it made me think how we can incorporate our own ways, our ways, into our own hot springs there and, take over that space that we have and turn it into a story of creation.
Really got a lot of inspiration from that to, further on improve what we've got at home and even start some more and make them all 100% Aboriginal or First Nations owned and operated. It's just inspiring to see, mob here looking after mob and actually, running the business themselves rather than having other people do it for them.
Ko Native Nations tracing Indigenous Footsteps, tētahi kaupapa e aroa nei ki te whakawhitiwhiti ahurea me te ako I wainga I ngā rangatahi iwi take no whenua ke. He wānanga tahi te mahi me te whakawhāriki I o rātou taonga tuku iho, ngā whiako me ngā tikanga.
I believe Native Nations has changed my life for the better. It's given me strength to stand on my own 2 feet and has given me a sense of self-identity, not only here at home in Aotearoa, but around the world as well.
It's absolutely changed my life and just meeting so many like-minded youth like myself who are immersed in their culture has just changed the way that I'm able to step forward knowing that I'm not alone. So right now we have Australia, Canada and Aotearoa all together in one, which is just really powerful to know that we're making big changes and footsteps all across the world.
It cost our rangatahi absolutely nothing to be a part of this exchange. For us, we are investing. We're investing into our future generations. This is succession planning, not just for the tourism industry, but for our communities, our iwi, our hapu, our marae, our whenua, our taiao. We're giving them the tools now to be able to make positive change and ensure that it's a better world for all of our future generations.
Ka wehe e nei rangatahi ki kānata hei te marama o Hepetema, he roni Waikato, Aukaha.